Okay, so moving on to a responsibility to compare and contrast. The responsibility I'm going to be talking about is equal opportunities between Ivan Lendl and Roy Hodgson. So first off, when thinking about equal opportunities, these two people, they must both consider the skill of a person. They're quite different now in the way they look at this. However, when they first started off being coaches, skill wouldn't have really been an issue to them, because they're just trying to get into it as a job. So as long as the client could pay enough, the skill of the person probably wasn't really an issue. However, now that they're professional coaches of a very high standard, Ivan Lendl, he still will train anyone regardless of their skill. However, due to the fact that he is such a good coach and he can get anybody playing tennis to such a high level, obviously the only issue there is money. So he doesn't really, the skill level doesn't really matter to him because he can help anyone. However, with Roy Hodgson, due to the fact that he's actually employed by the England FA or the England FIFA group, skill is actually the only issue for him, because he's not paid by the actual clients themselves. He's paid by an external source to get the best players in, so he will only consider skill and not money. So yeah, that's skill and money covered. So the final thing I was going to talk about is ethnicity, or cultural background. Obviously, as with any coach, the similarity between these two is that regardless of your cultural background or ethnicity, they will consider you on your skill or how much money you can offer them.